Hi, boys and girls. Today in Science and Social Studies, our learning target is I can define model. So I can create one. I will know I have it when my model is a map with two landforms and two bodies of water. Let's think about our schema. So let's review what we have learned. Maps, globes, and photographs are geographic tools to help us locate a place, see how big or small an area is, and shows us how something or someone looks. Do you remember when I made a model of a volcano? You will have a chance to make a model today. Let's review some vocabulary first. Geographic tools. We know those are maps, globes, and photographs. Map, a flat drawing of a place or part of the world. Globe, a three-dimensional model of the earth. Photograph, an image to show how someone or something looks. Landform, a shape of land. Freshwater, areas with a large amount of water such as rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, bays, and gulfs that contain very little or no salt at all. Ocean, a very large body of salt water. A model, a representation of something found in real life. Our focus today, how can we create a model of a map with landforms and bodies of water? First, you will watch a video about models and learn how they are used in science. And remember, we've learned about a lot of landforms and how they look. Hills, mountains, canyons, valley. We've learned about volcano, islands, plains. We've learned about fresh water, those rivers, streams, ponds, lakes. We've learned about the ocean, which is huge amounts of salt water. So you have a lot of schema to help you decide what you will put in your model. But we'll watch the video first. And then I want you to think, let's look at a model together and see what we can learn. This is a globe, and we know it's a three-dimensional model of the earth. It is a smaller version, but represents features that we can see. We can see there is a huge amount of water on earth, more water than land. And all of this water is salt water. And then the water that's going through the countries, the continent, those are rivers. Michigan has the Great Five Lakes. We talked about that on a video. And then we can see where places are located on this globe, and we can get an idea of how big or small they are. Your practice today and your model will be created on a blank piece of paper in your spiral notebook. Draw and label two landforms of your choice and two bodies of water on your map. We need to know if you draw a mountain, you need to label it as a mountain. If you draw a river, label that as a river. And remember, as you're making your map model, the parts of a map you should include title, compass rose, and legend or key. So put some symbols in your model. You can draw a map a mountain on your map. And then in the key, make a symbol that might represent that mountain. And make sure it's on your key so that we know what that is. I can't wait to see your map model.